Let's see how to fix the treadmill when we bought it as new material. So let's fix it now and let's start jogging in it. So let's go. In this video I will show how to install the Fit Plus treadmill. See, initially we will screw in 4 areas after the some procedures. See, one here and then second here, and then after making up we have to screw right here and then left here. See, we have to slowly make it up slowly, and then after making, initially we will screw here and then here at left and right. See, this is the equipments they have given with screws for installation. First open this. These are the equipments. This bolt nuts and then screwdriver and other tighteners are given. We will fit the treadmill now. Let's go. Initially we are fitting to the first hole. Let's go. Use the small one to fit. Yeah, we are done with one. And then second, we are fitting with second net. Then we have done with the second one. Then we will move to the third. And then the next width, which is near the start switch, and then right here we will fit with the both. See here. Done with the next one, third, and then we are moving to fourth, right here. Then I have made the installation with fourth net, and then we are moving to fifth and sixth. And then near one here, and then the next here we'll do with this both. And then with the fifth one done, then done with fifth one, then done with the sixth one. Then we will switch on this and then switch on with the plug. See here, it's on. Then use this magnet over here. Use the magnet over here and release this thread. After placing this magnet over here, place the clip over your shirt and then give start. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Yeah. I am running. See, you can speed up. Now it's very fast, you see. That's it. Thank you, friends.